Adding files to cases. To share digital evidence with other authorized investigators, you can upload videos, media, and other file types to new and existing cases. Once files have been uploaded, investigators can view, download, or edit them. To upload files to a case, first open a new case or browse to an existing one. Looking at the Files section of the case, there are two ways to add a file from your computer. The first way is to click on the plus icon and select a file from the browser window that pops up. You can also open a File Explorer and drag a file over and drop it in the Files area of the case. You can select multiple files to upload at the same time by using the Shift and Control keys. If a video file is being uploaded, it will be converted into the MP4 format. You'll be able to tell when the conversion is finished when the thumbnail appears for the file. In case the video file does not have a thumbnail after the upload is finished, check the list of video formats that can be previewed to make sure it is supported. Files that have already been added to the service can also be added to a case from here. Click on the plus icon in the Files section and select Add Files from Genetec Clearance to bring up a list of files that can be added. A file can be associated with multiple cases, so all files in the service will show up here. On the top of the list, there's a search field to find a file by name, and clicking on the More Filters button will allow you to limit the list based on the date and time of a file, category the file is in, and if the file is already associated with a case or not. The Device Assignment filter allows you to see the files created by a device, such as a body-wearable camera, that was associated with a particular user. If any custom fields have been added to the service, the values of any of these fields can be used as filters as well. A map can also be used to restrict the files that are listed below by geographic location. Just above the list of files, the number of results based on the current search and filter settings will be shown, and on the other side of that there is an Options button to manage the columns being displayed. If you need more information on the filters, map, or column headings, take a look at the video on searching for cases or files. Use the Add to Case and Remove from Case buttons next to files to manage their association with the current case, and click on the X or the Done button when you're finished. Another way to remove a file from a case is by clicking on the menu button next to a file name and choosing Unlink from Case, or selecting multiple files using the checkboxes next to the thumbnails and clicking on the Remove button below the list. Files can also be associated with a case from a Security Center system, through requests from cameras linked to your service, or by creating a file request link and sharing it with anyone who may have valuable evidence to share. These transfer methods may not be configured on the system you are using, but we do have videos available on the use of each one.